Hi, today is Keto Cooking Day and we're making bacon wrapped cheddar bites. I got up this morning and I had bacon and I had cheddar cheese and it's like, let me try that. These are easy to make, very inexpensive, and very keto friendly. Let's do some keto cooking. Hi, I'm Steve and you're watching Keto Steveo. So we're going to start with two of the best foods in the world, bacon and cheese. We have a package of thick cut bacon, medium cheddar sliced cheese, some Italian seasoning, and my Mrs. Dash tomato, basil, and garlic seasoning. So we pull the bacon out of the package and plate it. Then we're going to take 2 or 3 paper towels and use those as the base to absorb our grease because we're going to microwave all this bacon. Not completely, but just enough to soften it up a little bit and cook it partially. So we'll just take each slice, we're going to drop it on the paper towel, and once we get a layer full of bacon, then we'll put another layer of paper towel down and put another layer of bacon over the top of that, and just keep going until we run out of bacon, and then we'll throw a paper towel on top and throw that in the microwave for about 6 to 7 minutes, just until it's cooked, maybe halfway. So while our bacon's cooking in the microwave, we're going to prep our cheese. We're going to take our cheddar cheese and just slice it in half. So we get our cheese prepped, we get our bacon out of the microwave. And now we'll get this bacon prepped. We'll take a slice of bacon, and it's cooked about halfway. And we're going to take a slice of cheese and place it towards one end. And then we're just going to roll that up, not too tight, just kind of a loose wrap. And then we're going to grab a toothpick and put it right through the center to keep all that together. And drop on our plate and continue. We've got 13 or 14 more of these to go. Same process. Half cooked bacon, slice of cheese, you roll it up loosely. And then we'll poke it with a toothpick, keeping that together. And through the magic of science, this whole process only takes about 2 minutes. So we're all prepped and we're ready to drop our seasonings on. We'll throw a little Italian seasoning on top. And then our Mrs. Dash tomato, basil, garlic. I just found this, it's really good. Really has some unique flavors to it. So I like to use a wire rack and parchment paper in the oven. It keeps the cooking from the top and the bottom pretty even versus using like a cookie sheet. So we're going to use a wire rack and throw a little parchment paper on top. It doesn't burn in the oven. It doesn't smoke. And then we're going to put our rolls on there. Space them apart, a couple inches, whatever fits. And then we're going to put a little bit more seasoning on these before we put them in the oven. A little more Italian spice and a little bit more Mrs. Dash. And then we're going to put these in the oven at 375 for 15 to 18 minutes. If you like them a little crispier, go for 18 minutes. If not, go for 15. Alright, this is 18 minutes in the oven and they look and smell delicious. So we're going to let these cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we'll try them out. This is a very easy, inexpensive, and keto-friendly snack. Let's try them out. Well, those were better than expected. So I've listed the ingredients and the macros in the video, and I'll also put those in the description. I hope you have fun cooking these up. I enjoyed it, and they are delicious. So if you're enjoying my channel and this episode, Please be sure and click that subscribe button and the like button. Take care, and we'll see you next time.